Hello guys, welcome to CADProject channel. This tutorial explains how to convert 2D objects into 3D objects. Okay, the first step is to separate several objects or copy. Copy again. Delete this and delete this. Okay. Second tab, type the regen command. That is select all. After that, type the subtract command. This subtract. Select the object as cutter and select the object being cut. The third step, type the extrude command like this to create 3D object. Select object, then pull up 3 mm thick. Second object, extrude to height 5 and last object, extrude to width mm or 12 millimeters. Okay, like this. The fourth step, unit the 3D objects into one with the union command. This type the union command, select all and enter. The last step is to type the fillet command or fillet X. Type the red L or reduce to make the object arcs. Type to 1.5 and enter. Okay guys, congratulations, 3 objects have been successfully created. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe my channel.